This is our chance, right here, right now.
An urgent call for action from public health officials for every single Canadian.
Our window to flatten the curve of the epidemic is narrow. We all need to act now.
The curve refers to the rate the virus is spreading. Flattening it means stopping a spike that will overwhelm the health system.
By these social distancing measures and avoiding non-essential gatherings or travel, we can dampen any sort of transmission within our society.
While Canada's top doctor wants everyone to stay home, Canada's Foreign Affairs Minister wants Canadians to come home.
There's more flight restrictions. There are airports which are being closed down. The number of flights around the world is decreasing by the hours.
His advice, don't panic, plan, and don't count on Canada to get you home later.
But there's no doubt that there would be no way for the Canadian government to repatriate everyone around the world.
The situation is changing so quickly, some airports haven't caught up with the new messaging for all international travelers to self-isolate for 2 weeks. Some arriving from the U.S. today said they weren't screened at all.
On the kiosk, we had to identify whether we were coming from Italy, Iran, one of the troubled spots.
Have you been told to self-isolate now?
No. We haven't. They didn't even tell us here.
The government held an emergency cabinet meeting today, emerging to say answers to questions about further border and flight measures will come tomorrow.
What's your advice to Canadians who are outside the country right now who have a lot of anxiety?
So, we understand that people are facing anxiety. These are exceptional times, and of course, they call for exceptional measures.
What those exceptional measures are and how long it could take to implement them is still a big question. Ashley Burke, CBC News, Ottawa.